Yes, hello and good afternoon. Welcome back to my video course study guide here for 308 at Houston Community College. I'm just creating a study guide for not only myself but my fellow students if you'd like to study with me. I chose some information that I believe is important to know to pass the final exam. I'm moving on here with some of the word problems and putting together an algebraic expression to solve. So this is a pretty good question to know. I don't think I've gone over any of the percentage, but as you know that with a percentage you have n over 100, so it's a percentage of the amount out of 100. So with that in mind, say we're going shopping. You paid $63.75 for shoes that were 15% off. What was the regular price? Well, let's go ahead and try to make an algebraic expression with this number here. So we know that what we paid here was $63.75. So I'm going to come here, put my little equal sign here, $63.75. And now I know the shoes were 15% off. So I know I'm going to be subtracting 15% off what the regular price is. So I'm just going to go ahead and call what was the regular price. I'm going to call that X. So I'm going to say my regular price was X. And I know that we had 15% off. And I'm going to convert this 15% into decimal notation here. So I have 0.15 of X equals that there. So, or I'm going to show you a different way to solve that real quickly because, you know, the opposite end of 15 here is 85%. So we know that 85% of X is equal to that amount there. So this is how I'm going to show you the algebraic way first. So I can go ahead and factor this out, and let me see if I have enough room here. So I can take out an X, and of course here you have that imaginary 1. So I have 1, and I'm going to go ahead and do it out in a decimal. Don't forget to keep your sign. 0.15. Close that. And lo and behold, here 1 minus 0.15, that's going to be equal to our 0.85, and of course you multiply and you have your X there, and that's equal to 63.75, and of course we know that we divide 0.85 to get rid of this over here to collect our like terms so we can get X by itself. I come over here and I divide 0.15, and I went ahead and did the math for you there, and that should equal to, I believe it was 75, yeah. 75 was the regular price for the shoes. So if I go ahead and plug it back in, we know the price was 75. 15% of 75 minus the regular amount gave me 63.75. And as we know, we took 85% of X to equal this here. That's not 50 to a point. 85% of X here equals to this number. You still would have got 75. So it doesn't matter which way you saw the question in your mind of how to solve it. Those were the two ways that I could formulate a way of an algebraic expression for solving for X.